Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to add digits of a number. So given a number as input to your Python program, so your task is to add all the digits of the given number. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a variable n and use the input function called to ask a user to enter a number. So enter a number. So this is a message, and yeah. So once the user enters a number, so it will be of string type. So let's convert it into from string type to an integer type using the type conversion. So once we are done getting the number from the user, so let's take another variable to store the sum of all the digits of a number. So let's take total and let's initialize this to a 0. So now in order to get all the digits one by one and add it to the total, so we'll be using the while loop. So let's take a while loop while n is greater than 0. So what we do is we try to take each and every digit of a number, that is the last digit of the given number, and try to add it to the total variable. So for that we have to perform a modulus operation. So in order to get the last digit, so let's take total variable, and we have to add the last digit to the total. So let's use a n modulus 10. So this will give us the last digit of the number, and it will try to add the last digit to the total. So once we add the last digit to the total, so we have to remove the last digit. So in order to remove the last digit, so let's use a n and perform the true division by 10. So this will remove the last digit from the given number, and yeah, so it will be stored in this n. So once the while loop completes, the sum of or the that is the sum of all the digits of the number, so it will be stored in this variable. So let's use a print function to print the total value. So let's use a print, and here sum of digits of number is, so let's give colon and in the flower braces, so let's use a print formatting. So let's use a total variable. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to add digits of a number. So let me execute this, and let me show you how it works. So running the main program, so enter a number. So let's say 1, 2, 3. So you can see the sum of digits of number is 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Closing it. So let me run it again. So let's give 0, 0, 0. So you can see sum of digits of the number is 0. So let me run it again, and here let's say 100. So you can see sum is 1. So let me give something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see the sum of digits of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 15. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to add digits of the given number. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.